Alright, this is wild. So this is the front exhaust header. I separated the two headers so where they join in the front. And it appears that the issue is this this piece here. So you may not be able to make it on the video, but there's a slot that it goes into. It's not obviously supposed to rotate like this. So it was just swinging back and forth, and you can't pull it out, can't push it in because it's still partially in that slot. But it was just rotating back and forth and hitting the side, the wall, and making that clanging sound, which is also kind of why it was so hard to identify where it was coming from, because you know, it's in the pipe, in the front pipe, and it sounded very bright and distinct. Anyway, that's wild. Kind of had to figure out what to do about that.